Have you ever wanted to invest in stocks, but felt overwhelmed by the complexity of traditional brokerage firms? Or perhaps you've heard about Robinhood and wondered if it's right for you. Robinhood is a popular investing app that has made it easier than ever for people to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options. But with so many features and options available, it can be a bit daunting for newcomers. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of using the Robinhood app, from setting up your account to making your first trade. Part 1. Setting up your Robinhood account. Let's start by downloading the Robinhood app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create an account. This process is pretty straightforward. You'll just need to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to verify your identity by taking a photo of your ID. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be asked to fund your account. You can do this by linking your bank account or using a debit card. Robinhood doesn't charge commissions on stock and ETF trades, so you can start investing with a small amount of money. Part 2. Navigating the Robinhood app. Now that you have a funded account, let's take a look at the Robinhood app interface. The main screen of the app shows you your account balance, recent trades, and a list of popular stocks and ETFs. You can also use the search bar to find specific stocks or ETFs. To buy or sell a stock, simply tap on the stock's name. This will take you to a page that shows you the stock's price, chart, and news. To buy a stock, tap the buy button and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. To sell a stock, tap the sell button and enter the number of shares you want to sell. Part 3. Understanding Robinhood's features. Robinhood offers a number of features that can help you make informed investment decisions. For example, the app provides real-time market data, news, and analysis. You can also use Robinhood to set up alerts for specific stocks or ETFs, so you'll be notified when the price reaches a certain level. One of Robinhood's most popular features is its option trading platform. Options trading can be complex, but Robinhood offers a simple interface that makes it easier to understand. However, it's important to note that options trading can be risky, so it's important to do your research before making any trades. Part 4. Tips for using Robinhood. Here are a few tips for using Robinhood effectively. Start small. It's a good idea to start investing with a small amount of money, especially if you're new to investing. This will help you get comfortable with the platform and avoid making costly mistakes. Do your research. Before making any investment decisions, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. There are many resources available online and in libraries that can help you learn more about investing. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. It's important to be patient and not get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio can help you reduce risk. Use stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is an order to sell a stock if its price falls below a certain level. This can help you limit your losses if a stock's price starts to decline. Robinhood is a powerful tool that can help you invest in stocks and ETFs. However, it's important to use the app responsibly and understand the risks involved. By following the tips in this video, you can make the most of Robinhood and achieve your investment goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.